Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I'm working on some earrings, so I figured I would turn on the camera. Just some really simple ones for the fair.com website. And I'm going to use only 2 beads for these, the little colored stone beads. I think I want to use a yellow. I'm going to mix the colors up like so. And then I'm going to take my pliers and then grab the wire about right there. And then I'm going to take it, bend the wire over, make sure I'm holding on to that, and then I'm going to take the wire and just bend it, start wrapping it. And I wanted to wrap it upward because I want to tuck it in the wire. So I'm going to clip a little bit of that off. And then I'm going to take it and see if I can get it. It's harder to work with the shorter the wire is. Bend it. And then smash it right in there. Take my pliers. Let's see. It's a little more difficult the shorter the wire is. And then I want to straighten this part up. And I always rub it around and make sure I don't feel anything poking. I don't feel anything, so that's good. And then what I'm going to do with these is the bottom, I'm going to put a little heart charm. So I'm going to unbend that. I'm going to grab one of my little heart charms. You see it's love on one side and then a heart on the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on there. Close it back off. And then we have it just kind of dangled. I'll take one of the little ear wires. Close it off on there. And it's just that simple. Just and then sometime you might have to straighten it out. And that's easy to do. And that'll be one of the little earrings. And I wanted something just kind of simple because I always do really kind of involved earrings, with the wire wrapping, just a lot. So some, I just said I want to do some that's just kind of simple. And then I'm thinking I'm going to even do some that have 1 bead on them. So I'm going to take the second earring, I'm going to grab it about right here. I'm going to bend down the wire. I'm going to start wrapping that wire around the bottom part here. And then I'm going to try to wrap it upward. So that's what I want it to look like because I want to tuck it. Okay, so I'm going to clip a little bit of it off. And try to bring it around here. Like I said, it's difficult sometimes when the wire is so short. And just close it up in there. Take these other pliers and close it down. And I don't want to feel anything. Okay. And I'm going to take the bottom of it. And then I'm going to open that wire up. I'm going to take another one of my charms, the heart, each side. And it doesn't even matter which way. Well, then maybe it will. So let's do it like this. And then I'm going to close it off. So then we got that dangling. And then we'll put our ear wire. And these are all like what, maybe 5 minutes, if 5 minutes. And I should be able to produce a lot of these because they're small and they're simple. And that's what I want to do. Enough to where I'm making, I just messed it all the way up. Enough to where I'm making cases. Enough cases where each case will have at least 4, anywhere from 4 to 12 pairs of earrings in a case. So that's what I'm trying to get into the habit of doing. And even if I have to do, I'm finding out that the smaller ones, the little dainty ones, they sell really good. And then of course, the smaller they are, look how cute those are. Just some really cute, simple little earrings. Just dainty and cute. Simple and easy. I don't like the angle of this camera. I was trying a different angle to see how it would work. I'm not really sure if I like it or not. I have to look at it once I begin to upload the video, see if I like it this way or not. But I like these. These are really cute. So I have enough beads and I have enough of these heart charms to make enough to where I can do anywhere between 10 and 12 to a case. So that's what I'll do for fair. And of course, you know, fair is for wholesale selling. So I figured I would start doing that because I found out that the smaller ones do really well with the more that you have in the case. So that's what I'm working on now. So I'll start finishing these up. And then I was able to get more pairs of these little gold ones made up too. So I got those ready, and I'll put all this up after I take pictures and do all that. And then I'm working on some bracelets, and I will be back with that video. Alrighty, we'll talk soon.